yesterday. Plus goes with what?
Yeah.
Huh? No, plus goes with what?
Negative.
Negative, yeah. Okay, and then multiplication goes with what?
Division.
Division. Okay, so those are kind of the groups, because we're always going to be doing the opposite. Okay, so if we look at number 1, okay, what needs moved? What needs moved away from the V?
The negative.
The negative 14. Okay, so because it's a minus, we need to do then what?
Negative. Addition.
Add it. Okay, whatever you do to one side, you got to do to the other side.
But now we have the negative.
So that's where the difference is today, okay? So instead of just being left with V, there is a negative V, okay? Which does make a difference, okay? Anytime in math, and you don't need to do it when it's a positive letter, okay? But that means there's really a 1 in front of it. So if you have like X, there's really a 1 in front of that. If you have a P, there's really a 1 in front of that. And eventually you'll see that it also has a power of 1. But we don't put them because it's just kind of given. Okay, so this is really negative V equals 14, because 0 plus 14 is 14, okay? But there's really a 1 in front of that. So this is what is called a 2-step problem. It's just a leeway into tomorrow, okay? There's really a negative 1 in front of there. Okay, so what happens when it's right next to each other? What's that mean?
Multiplication.
It means multiplication. So when we need to do what?
We need to divide by 1.
Then we're going to divide by negative 1.
Which leaves us the same answer with the positive.
Okay, it's going to leave us with the same answer, but it's a negative 14. Okay? So that's the only difference, and there's only one other one, just like this. Okay? And it is number 25. So if you want to circle that one, you're more than welcome to. I'm going to do it, but those are the two that are alike. Okay? Everything else is just the same as yesterday. Okay? So if we look at number 3, okay, what needs moved?
The 16.
The 16. Okay, I have a plus 16, so what do I need to do? Subtract 16 from both sides. Okay, so I got P equals, what is 2 minus 16?
14.
Negative 14.
Negative 14. That's all right, use your calculator. Okay, 5. What needs moved? The 10. Okay, how do I move it?
Make it a negative.
Yeah, we're going to minus 10. Okay, there's no sign in front of it, so it's really a plus. So you're going to say minus 10, minus 10. What is 0 minus 10?
Negative 10.
Negative 10. Okay, I got n minus 13 equals 5. What needs moved?
13.
The 13. How do I move a minus 13?
You add 13.
Add 13. Add 13. We're going to get n equals, what is 5 plus 13? 18. Good. Okay, number 9, I got n minus 19 equals negative 8. What needs moved? The 19. Okay, how do I move a minus 19? Plus 19 on both sides. Okay, and for most of you, I would probably use the calculator. But what is negative 8 plus 19? 11? Somebody agree?
I agree.
Yeah. Okay, 11. I got 9n equals 72. Okay, see how the 9 and the n are like right next to each other? So what does that mean? It means multiplication, so we need to do what? Divide. So you're going to divide by 9. Divide by 9. So you got n equals, what is 72 divided by 9? 8. Somebody agree?
Yeah.
Okay, 17. 17x equals 204. Okay, so what does that mean, 17x? Huh? It means multiplication, so we need to do what?
Divide.
Divide. Okay, so what is 204 divided by 17? 12, somebody agree? Can I go to the next page? Okay, 15, I got negative 5a equals 100. What needs moved? The negative 5, so how do I move that? Divide. Why is it divide? Because they're right next to each other like that, okay? So we need to divide. Although the negative kind of makes it seem like we're gonna add it, and I totally get that, but because it's right next to it, we gotta divide. Okay, what is negative 100 divided by negative 5?
I'd say 20.
Somebody agree?
Yeah, 20.
20.
Okay. Negative 11k equals negative 121. What needs done? Yeah, but what do you need to do it to? We're gonna divide by negative 11.
Which the answer is
What is it?
11.
11? Somebody agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, 15, I got 15, or 19, sorry. 19 is 15x equals 135. What needs done?
15 equals 5.
Yep, you gotta divide by 15 on both sides. Okay, what is 135 divided by 15? There's right there in that brown box. What's 135 divided by 15? 9? Okay, 21, I got negative 3m equals negative, or equals 27. What do we have to do? Divide both sides by negative 3.
The answer is -7.
Negative 7?
Sorry, -9.
Negative 9? Somebody agree?
Yeah.
Okay, 23, I got x plus 17 equals 3. What needs done? Subtract the 17. We get x equals, what is 3 minus 17?
-14.
Negative 14. Okay, 25 is just like number 1 that we did. Okay, what needs done first? And if you don't know, keep flipping back and forth to look. Look at what we did. You need to what? Look at number 1. See what we did first. We're gonna add the 10. Okay, and what's gonna be on the left side? What's that gonna look like?
-x,
Negative x
-13.
equals negative 13. And what number can I put in front of the x?
1.
A 1, okay?
So you're gonna divide by -1.
We're gonna divide each piece by a negative 1 though, okay? And I want you to think about this because you're gonna see when you're doing these, okay, this was one step, right? We had to do one thing to get to our answer, right? Our first thing on this one was add 10, that's step 1, okay? Step 2 is to do what?
Divided by negative.
Divide by negative 1. So this is considered a 2-step equation solving,
Yeah.
okay? So eventually you'll get to plenty of steps, but almost all of them are going to be just one step, Okay, 27, what needs done?
Need to add 17.
We're gonna add 17. Why do we add and not divide?
Since there's a minus in front of it and the N and 17 are together.
Perfect, okay, they're not together like, see 28, how they're like right next to each other, or 26, they're like dang near touching. Okay, there's no sign in between, so that lets you know to divide or multiply. Okay, what is negative 32 plus 17?
It's negative 32.
Negative 15, somebody agree? Okay, and 29, what kind of problem is this?
Multiplication.
It is division, so we need to multiply. Okay, so these are the only ones, when you see a fraction bar, okay, you're just gonna have to, you gotta multiply, okay? So we're gonna multiply what? 10. We're gonna multiply both sides by 10. Okay, and again, if I do it to one side, I gotta do it to the other side. So on this side, I got x, what is 2 times 10? 20. Okay, the other 15 are for you guys to do.